Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to remove country from allowed countries if specific product category in cart page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page, and then you see ceramic bird. So product category ceramic. So when specific product category in cart page, then we are going to remove country from allowed country list in checkout page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see country code US, so you can add country code according to requirement. And then you see product category 195, so you can add product category according to requirement. Now go to product category, and then you see different category. If you want, you can add slug or name. Now you see ceramic. Now click on edit, and then in URL you see tag ID 34, so this is our ID. Now back to code. Now add 34. So if specific product category exists in cart page, then US country remove from allowed countries drop down list, and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page. Now you see product category exists ceramic bird. Now refresh the page, and then scroll down, click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page, and then you see detail. Now you see country region. Now find here United States. Now you don't see any United States country because we added product from specific category in cart page. Now back to code. So you can add country code according to requirement, and you can add product category according to requirement, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.